Okay, guys, the last segment of the day where we shall learn how to find the angle between a line and a plane. Okay. Acha, before I tell you that, I need you guys to recall that, like, if this is theta over here and this is alpha, or maybe, yeah, let's write alpha over here. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is C, this is A, and this is B. So you see that your sine theta is going to be C over B. And this C over B is also cos alpha, है ना? That is your C over B. Just remember this. The sine theta is C over B, and this is same as cos alpha, which is going to be C over B. Just remember this, okay? Now I tell you how to find the angle between a plane and a line. Now suppose there is a plane like this, okay? And we have, there is a line, like, the line is coming from here, like this, and then this is like, passing through this plane, okay? And we want to find the angle between the plane and this line, okay? Now, I have to make sure that, like, the normal to this plane is going to be a line like this. It can be, I can draw it anywhere, okay? So I would intentionally be drawing this over here, like this, okay? And then I'll draw a line between these 2 points here, okay? Like this. Okay? So uh, we have a right angle over here. Yes, Hannah? We want to find this angle. This is the um, alpha, okay? Sorry, we will be finding alpha, but we want to find this angle. This theta is the angle between the line and the plane. You must be convinced that this theta is the angle between the line and the plane. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah?
but sir, can't we
Hannah?
have multiple won't we have multiple angles between the line and the plane?
Not at all, beta. Please remember, for an angle, you need to have a vertex, okay? So this is the angle over here. I know what you're thinking. You can be thinking of a line passing, like, this. There can be another line over here, maybe like this, okay? But to determine this angle, you need to have a right angle kind of a thing over here, okay? So you need to have this red line. We are basically finding the angle between the red line and the yellow line. This red line is on the plane, okay? And I have intentionally drawn this green line as a normal to this plane over here. Yes?
Yes, okay.
Okay. So we have to find this angle theta. We can't find this angle theta, but we can find this cos alpha over here. And I can say that the finding cos alpha is same as finding the sine theta. Yes or not?
Yes.
Anna. So finding cos alpha is same as finding the sine theta. So guys, we have the direction vector of the line. We have the normal to this plane. So angle between a line and a plane is basically cos of the angle between the line's direction vector and the plane's normal. Okay, I can take this example over here. Now this 2, 2 minus 1, this direction is 2, 2 minus 1. Okay, and the direction of this plane over here, I mean this normal to this plane is going to be, that is going to be 3 minus 1, 0. So this direction is 3 minus 1, 0. Normally we have the formula that cos theta is A dot B over the magnitude of A into the magnitude of B. But here I'll be writing that sine theta is going to be N dot, let me write this D for the direction vector of the line, over the magnitude of N times the magnitude of this T. Is that clear, guys? You must be convinced that why I'm using this sine theta. Okay? This sine
Yeah.
theta basically your cos alpha. Okay? And I have given you the reason over here. So that is how, guys, this is going to be sine theta that is n is 3 minus 1 0 dot, this is going to be 2 2 minus 1, okay, and you have the square root of 9 plus 1, you have the square root of 4 plus 4 plus 1. So this sine theta is going to be 6 minus 2, that is 4 over under root 10 times this 3. Okay, please find this angle quickly and let's check our answer. This theta is going to be sine inverse of 4 over 3 under root 10. Yes, tell me what is the answer. And the meanwhile, I take it out from here. This should be 65.06. Is it?
नो नो, हम साइन थीटा कर रहे हैं ना, तो कॉस अच्छा अच्छा
No, you do
We do
that. You just find
we take
sine.
out sine inverse, we get 24.9.
24
The
या
sine inverse of this. The sine theta is, what is that sine theta?
The sine theta is the sine inverse is 24.9. So the theta is 24.9.
So this theta is 24.9 degrees. Okay. So that is the answer over here. We have found that directly. Here guys, so this is it from the day. Inshallah, we'll be covering the remaining parts of this chapter in the next classes.